بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all will be fine and happy. Class 9th, subject chemistry, page 76 and chapter 3. The topic which I am going to discuss is ionization energy. Ionization energy. Ionization energy is the amount of energy required to remove an electron from the valence shell of an atom is called ionization energy. The minimum amount of energy required to remove an electron from the valence shell, from the last shell, from the outermost shell of a gaseous atom is called ionization energy. Ionization energy is defined as the minimum amount of energy required to remove an electron from the valence shell of a gaseous atom is called ionization energy. Ionization energy. The minimum amount of energy required to remove an electron from the valence shell. Valence shell means from the last shell, from the outermost shell of a gaseous atom is called ionization energy. The minimum amount of energy required to remove an electron from the valence shell, from the last shell, from the outermost shell of a gaseous atom is called ionization energy. Is called what? Is called ionization energy. It is denoted by IE. Ionization energy is also called ionization potential. It is also called ionization potential, and we write it as IP, ionization potential. It is measured in joules or kilojoule per mole. Ionization energy is denoted by IE, I for ionization and E for energy. It is also called ionization potential, and here IP means I for ionization and P for potential. And it is energy, so it is measured in joules or kilojoule per mole. For example, sodium, gaseous sodium atom, its atomic number is 11. If you talk about its structure, so it has 11 protons and 11 electrons, 2 in the first shell, 8 in the second shell, and last single electron in the last shell. 2 plus 8, 10 plus 1, 11. So atomic number of sodium is 11. Its structure, it has 11 proton in its nucleus and 2 electrons in first shell, 8 in the second, and in the last shell it has single electron. So if we want to remove this electron, this valence, it is called, this is valence shell. Valence shell last shell or outermost shell, and this electron which is present in the valence shell is called valence electron. So to remove this valence electron from the gaseous sodium atom, we need energy. How much? 496 kilojoule per mole energy is required. How much? 496 kilojoule per mole energy is required to remove this valence electron from the last shell, from the valence shell of a gaseous sodium atom, and this energy is called ionization potential or ionization energy. Atomic number of sodium is 11, means it has 11 protons and 11 electrons, because the number of protons is always equal to the number of electrons. So 11 proton and 11 electrons. In the last shell it has 1 electron. So if you want to remove this electron from the valence shell of a gaseous sodium, so how much energy is required? 496 kilojoule per mole energy is required, and this energy is called ionization energy. Here I put positive sign, so it means that we will provide energy to the system. This gaseous atom, it is a system. We will provide energy to the system, so that is why here I put positive sign, that we will give the energy, we will provide the energy to the system, we will provide the energy to the system, we will give the energy to the system. So that is why here I put positive sign. Sodium atomic number 11, 2, 8, 1 electron, when energy is supplied, so it loses 1 electron, 2, 8, and a sodium positive ion is formed. And how much energy is required? Plus 496 kilojoule per mole, and this energy is called ionization energy. This energy is called ionization energy. Similarly, magnesium, whose atomic number is 12. So it's means that it has 12 protons in its nucleus, 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 in the second shell, 2 plus 8, 10, and 2 electron in the last shell, valence shell or outermost shell. So if you want to remove an electron from the last shell of a